There will be three kinds of people that we will meet in this life. May tatlong mga klaseng tao tayong makakasalamuha, makikita at makakasama sa buhay na ito. The first one are what we can call black hole persons. Sila yung mga taong palaging walang gana, walang energy. Sila yung mga pag na-meet mo, nawawalan ka din ng gana. Palaging merong reklamo, may masasabing hindi maganda sa mga tao, sa buhay nila. Sila yung mga KJ, Killjoy. Madalas, napakataray nila, napakasungit. Yung bang ang ganda-ganda ng umaga mo, pag dumating sila, nasisira. Ang tawag po dyan ay mga black hole persons. The second kind of people that we would meet are boring persons. Yung parang dumating sila, umalis sila, wala lang. Nandyan lang sila, wala silang impact sa buhay natin. Tahimik lang sila. Sila yung mga palamunin. Basta't lang nag-i-exist, kumakain, nagtatrabaho, pero minsan walang dating yung kanilang ginagawa. Yung kanilang trabaho, yung kanilang buhay. Wala silang bunga o magandang epekto sa mga tao. They are neutral. They are neither good or bad. Kung mamatay man sila, mabibigla ka. Talaga? And then you would continue with your life. Hindi mo man sila iiyakan o hindi ka man natutuwa sa kanila. Boring persons. The third kind of people that we would meet are what we call battery persons. Sila yung nagbibigay ng lakas, buhay, tuwa. Pag nandyan na sila, parang nagiging party ang ating samahan. Nakakamiss yung mga ganyan na klaseng tao. They give energy to us. They're always smiling. They're always joyful. Battery kind of persons. An important question for all of us. How about you? What kind of a person are you? Ikaw ba ay black hole? Sinisip-sip mo yung gana, tuwa ng iba? Are you a boring person? Wala lang, nandiyan ka lang. Or are you a battery person? Are you the life of the party, of your company, of your work, of your friends, of your family? What kind of a person are you? Be honest. Aminin niyo po, wala pong masama. But a more important question now is, where does God call us to be? Saan tayo tinatawag ng Diyos? What kind of a person does God want us to be? Definitely, not